Your engine isn't just a machine, it's the heart of your car. Over time, dirt, carbon, and wear slowly steal its power, fuel efficiency, and smoothness, often without you noticing until performance drops. Here's the thing, in most cases, your engine isn't dying. It's simply starved of the care it needs. And just like any heart, the right routine can bring back its strength and efficiency. You don't need a major overhaul, just consistent, targeted maintenance that addresses the areas most critical to performance. These 10 steps are not quick gimmicks or one-time fixes. They're proven maintenance habits that clean, protect, and fine-tune your engine from intake to exhaust. Done regularly, they can restore lost power, improve fuel economy, extend your engine's lifespan, and save you from costly breakdowns in the future. Let's explore the proven habits that will keep your engine running and responding as if it were brand new. Number 1. Clean the throttle body. Restore instant throttle response. Think of the throttle body as your engine's lungs. When carbon builds up inside, airflow is restricted and your engine starts gasping for air. That's when you notice sluggish acceleration, unstable idle, or even stalling. Cleaning it removes that restriction, letting your engine breathe freely again, and you'll instantly feel sharper throttle response, just like when the car was new. Number 2. Clean the mass airflow, MAF sensor. Give your engine its senses back. The MAF sensor is your engine's eyes and ears for air intake. If it's dirty, your ECU gets the wrong readings, causing bad fuel-air mixtures. Result? Poor fuel economy, weak power, and an annoying check engine light. A clean MF means your engine knows exactly how much fuel to mix, restoring smooth power delivery and efficiency. Number 3. Replace the air filter. Let your engine breathe fresh again. A clogged air filter is like asking your engine to run a marathon while breathing through a straw. Clean, unrestricted airflow is critical for strong combustion, and swapping out a $20 filter can bring back lost horsepower, boost fuel economy, and prevent dirt from scratching your cylinders. It's one of those small, inexpensive fixes that can make a big difference in how alive and responsive your engine feels. Number 4. Use high-quality fuel and additives. Clean from the inside out. Cheap gas can leave behind carbon and varnish deposits inside your engine. Running premium fuel or quality fuel additives works like an internal scrub, cleaning your injectors and valves while helping prevent engine knock. This isn't about blowing money on fancy gas every fill-up. It's about giving your engine an occasional deep clean from the inside so it runs smoother, stays more efficient, and lasts longer. Number 5. Get fuel injectors professionally cleaned. Restore precise fuel delivery. Fuel injectors are precision components designed to spray a fine mist of fuel for optimal combustion. When they get dirty, the spray pattern becomes uneven, hurting performance and efficiency. A professional cleaning can bring back that crisp, effortless acceleration you remember without having to replace injectors that can cost over $1,000. Number 6. Maintain spark plugs and the ignition system. Bring back The snap. Spark plugs may be small, but they control every single combustion event in your engine. When they're worn, you get weak sparks, incomplete combustion, and wasted fuel. Replacing them on schedule helps your engine regain that sharp acceleration, smoother idle, and lower emissions, just like it had when it was brand new. Number 7. Keep the cooling system in check. Protect your engine's health. Heat is the silent killer of engines, and your cooling system is the first line of defense against overheating, warped cylinder heads, and cracked engine blocks. Regularly check your coolant level. Flush the radiator and inspect hoses for wear. A well-maintained cooling system keeps your engine in its ideal temperature range, where it delivers peak performance and lasts longer. Number 8. Perform carbon cleaning. Give your engine a fresh start. Every combustion cycle leaves behind tiny traces of carbon. Over time, these deposits build up, coating the combustion chamber like soot in a chimney. The result? Lower compression, sluggish throttle response, and that irritating knocking sound. A proper carbon cleaning removes these stubborn buildups, allowing your engine to breathe, ignite, and accelerate like it hasn't in years, restoring that crisp, factory-fresh performance you thought was gone for good. Number 9. Change oil and filter on time. Keep everything running like new. Oil isn't just lubrication, it's your engine's life support system. Fresh oil lets moving parts glide smoothly, carries away contaminants, and helps prevent heat-related damage. Skipping oil changes is the quickest way to turn a like-new engine into a costly repair bill. Stick to your recommended intervals, and your engine will keep that smooth, effortless feel for years to come. Number 10. Inspect the exhaust system and catalytic converter. Keep it breathing out. Just like clean intake airflow is important, a clear exhaust flow matters just as much. A clogged catalytic converter or rusted exhaust can choke your engine from the back end, robbing it of power and efficiency. Keep the system clear, and your engine will breathe freely in both directions, restoring performance, fuel economy, and longevity. The satisfaction of a revived engine. There's nothing quite like the feeling of knowing you've given your car the care it truly deserves. After completing these 10 steps, you're not just maintaining your engine, you've restored its smoothness, power, and efficiency. Every start feels crisp, every acceleration more responsive, and you can hear and feel the difference under the hood. Best of all, you've protected your wallet from costly repairs and given yourself peace of mind on every drive. Enjoy the ride. Your engine is ready for many more miles ahead.